Tikku speaking about stereochemistry of coordination compounds. The number of special arrangements dependent on the coordination number of the metal. As the coordination number increases, the number of alternative arrangements also increases. For example, for coordination number 2, a linear arrangement is present. They do not yield stereoisomerism because the coordinated groups can be arranged in not more than one way. For example, diamine silver can be linearly arranged because it has only one metal and two ligands. Then we have coordination number 3. Three coordinated complexes are very common. They have two geometries. They have two geometries. In these two geometries, the three coordinated complexes have their X-rays. Clearly, the central atom is sp2 hybridized. In these compounds, some typical types of examples are trimethyl sulfur, copper, and copper phosphorus sulfur trimethyl dichloride. These type of isomers are present very commonly. Coordination number 4. Stereochemistry of four coordinated complexes can be approached with the valence bond theory. We know that their hybridization is sp3. Now, in sp3 hybridization, the ligands can be arranged in two type of structures. One is the tetrahedral and other is the square planar arrangement. So, the tetrahedral arrangement we have Ma4 and in square planar arrangement we have Ma3b type of complex. In square planar complexes we have very little chances because they are formed by copper and platinum complexes. They can be cis and they can be trans, and in square planar complexes one by one the ligand is replaced. For example, platinum, tetraamine platinum. In tetraamine platinum we can have monochloro triamine platinum, then dichlorodiamine platinum, then trichloroamine platinum, and so on. But in the tetrahedral geometry, we cannot have such type of changes frequently. There can be only optical isomerism in tetrahedral complexes. So, we can have different types of isomeric forms in MABCD square planar conformations. MABCD. These are cis types, and when both the ligands are same, then we have trans and cis both type of compounds. Then we have the bidentate ligands. We have the bidentate ligands. In bidentate ligands, we can have such type of complexes in which the complex is arranged in different types of synthetic compounds, and these type of complexes we can have with bidentate ligands. In bidentate ligands, there are different shapes, one in which we have MAA B2 type, then MAA BC type, then MAA whole twice type compounds. Then which can be cis and trans, both type of compounds are present. In this we have cis compound with platinum and trans compound also with platinum. Then we have optical isomerism. In optical isomerism we have dextrorotatory and levorotatory compounds. The optical isomers are little rarely found, and the stereoisomerisms are most possibly found. Then we have the isomers which are known as the tetrahedral complexes. In isomethyl diamine tris dimethyl platinum 2 cation, we have the square planar geometry, in which this geometry has two types, in which one is with tetrahedral and the other is with planar complex. Tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes having D10 configuration. We have examples with zinc, cobalt, bismuth, beryllium, and these type of tetrahedral complexes have shapes in one or two alag different type of squares. These different squares have different types of geometry, but they have cis and trans arrangement of ligands in tetrahedral shape.